Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to fix up an old truck. Start by thoroughly inspecting your truck's engine, frame, and body for any issues. This initial assessment helps you understand the scope of work. Next, create a detailed budget, allocating funds for necessary parts, specialized tools, and any professional assistance you might need. Finally, prioritize your repairs, focusing on safety and functionality first to ensure a successful restoration. Now, let's dive into the mechanical aspects. Begin by replacing any worn-out engine components such as spark plugs, various filters, and drive belts to ensure smooth operation. Next, carefully inspect and repair the transmission, differential, and the entire braking system for optimal performance and safety. Consider upgrading your suspension and steering parts to significantly improve the truck's handling and overall ride comfort. Moving on to aesthetics and comfort, tackle any rust, dents, and paint imperfections on the truck's exterior to bring back its original shine. Inside, repair or replace damaged interior components such as the seats, dashboard, and headliner for a fresh look. Don't forget to install new wiring, updated lighting, and modern gauges to enhance both functionality and safety for your restored vehicle. For the final steps, conduct a comprehensive test drive to identify any remaining issues or adjustments that might be needed. Apply protective coatings and commit to regular maintenance to preserve your truck's condition for years to come. Remember, a well-maintained truck is a joy to drive. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals to keep your ride fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.